What's the meaning of cinematic? Cinematic. Cinematic.
Cinematic. Cinematic. Cinematic refers to something that is characteristic of or resembles the style of films. It can refer to the visual style, music, storytelling techniques, or atmosphere of a film. When something is described as cinematic, it often suggests a sense of grandeur, drama, and larger-than-life emotions. The result of a cinematic experience is one that leaves a deep impression on the viewer, evoking a range of emotions and immersing them in a world that can be both real and surreal at the same time.